Hi, I'm Louis at Finestra Windows. I manage the installation projects here at Finestra Windows. We offer several different window lines for installation. You can check our website at finestrawindows.com for our current deal pricing. This is the 2200 series EcoShield window. It's double pane, energy efficient glass with low E and argon gas in between the two panes. You can unlock the window, open it up, and tilt it in for easy cleaning. It has an interlocking meeting rail, so it has a tongue and groove connection where it locks. You have a weather stripping on all sides with a bulb seal on the bottom. And the screen is a half screen fiberglass mesh better view. And it's resilient. All our screens, if you stick the tip of a pencil through it, it'll come back to its original position, so it has a memory. This Pro Plus comes standard with foam-filled frames in the sashes and the outer frame of the vinyl window. They come with a full metal lock. You can do the same to unlock it and tilt it in with an interlocking meeting rail. This window comes standard with built-in tilt latches on the sides, and it has double-strength glass. Again, the screen is a half screen that lifts up and down, fiberglass mesh. Vinyl Max 4700 series, this is the most efficient window you can get. It has, instead of 2 panes of glass, it has 3 panes of glass, and it has the low E and argon gas as well. Again, the frames of the window and the sash and the outer frame are foam filled, and it comes with the TPS spacer. This is the best spacer on the market. So you can see here, this is a cut with the foam filled in the frame, and the triple pane with the TPS spacer. So you can see it's not aluminum or metal. You can unlock this window, just like the others, to open it, and you can tilt it in to the interior of the house. You can see it's also has the interlocking meeting rail and all the weather stripping around all sides of the sash. And this window comes standard with a flex screen. It's a full flex screen. Flex screen technology is amazing because you have more screen, you don't have an aluminum frame, and it's very flexible. You can actually flex it in to remove it in and out of the window. And these are our window products that we offer on our website for installation. We're able to give you a free estimate over the phone if you contact us, and then we can schedule to come out to measure the windows. We can also just schedule to come out to measure the windows and get you a free estimate. When you work with us, you don't have to worry about having a pushy salesman come out to your home. We have the products that we offer for sale, and we just give you the pricing, and you let us know when you're ready to place the order. Our installation services include removal, disposal, caulking the interior and exterior of the windows. We also offer an outside aluminum trim that finishes off the exterior around your window to not only beautify it, but also to protect the exposed wood around your window from the weather. Our windows come with a lifetime manufacturer's warranty that includes glass breakage protection. We offer financing here at Finestra Windows. We partner with Wells Fargo, and we can get you a low monthly payment for whichever windows you would like to purchase to put in your home today. Contact us today on our website at finestrawindows.com or call us at 860-986-7277 or 860-986-2696 to get a free estimate today over the phone, or to schedule your measurement appointment for us to come out, measure the windows to get you a quote.